In this video, after 6 weeks of curing, we're going to find out which one is stronger. Yep. Dry pour versus wet pour. So what better way to find out which one is stronger than to put them into an ultimate battle to the death? That means I'm going to crack these. Now here's the problem. I don't know what's going to happen to my face when I do this, so I might kind of just throw them at each other. My beautiful camera woman, feel safe?
Sure. Sure. We'll go with that.
Is it going to crack on the first time, or am I going to have to knock them together a few times?
I don't think it's going to.
You know what? Should we record this in super slow-mo?
Yes.
Let's try that. Oh my God. All right, so this is the dry pour. Oh my God, it looks perfect. This is the wet pour, and look what I found. Now, I don't know if it's cracked all the way through, but I'm going to say that this is actually, oh, look at that. Dry pour versus wet pour. Let's try this again. And I'm gonna smack them pretty good. Oh, good Lord. Oh, here we go. Time for super slow-mo. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
There was some shrapnel or something, wasn't there?
A little bit.
A little? Did you get any nicks or
No,
cuts?
I'm fine.
You're very brave. This is the wet pour, the dry pour. I think they both, look at that. I think they both look pretty great inside. They look different though. Okay, all right, let's maybe crack them one more time and then let's get a good look inside. All right, we're gonna crack them together one more time, but this time I'm gonna say it with authority. Release the Krakens! Fuck, we didn't do that in super slow-mo.
Nope.
One more time for super slow-mo. No!
I definitely got something in my mouth that time.
You can see the inside here. First of all, I think they're equally hard. It does look like this cracked in a different way. I don't know that that's bad. Look how crisp this cracked, almost as if this is more brittle. You can see a fracture in here. And this thing's, you know, I basically think they both look great. All right, here we go. It's impressive. All right, now we're going to try the dry pour. It looks like Starbase, Texas over here. Yeah, there's definitely a difference between the traditional wet pour and the dry pour. It's something looks a little different about them. But anyway, There you go. I think, I mean, how are we going to argue with that?